Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on advanced settings for object detection and segmentation labeling using SentiSight.ai platform. To start with, we have a setting to override labels when uploading a JSON file. If you select the setting, then during the labels upload, if there are any images in your JSON file that have the same name as in your dataset, then the labels for these images in your dataset will be deleted and overridden by the new labels in the JSON file. Otherwise, if this setting is unselected, then the new labels in the JSON file will simply be appended to the existing ones in your image. The next setting that we have is called auto labeling. If you select the setting, then labels that you add for object detection and segmentation will automatically be added for classification as well. Let me demonstrate. So if I'm labeling this image for object detection and I add a new label, which I'll simply call new label, after I save and exit, this new label is added for classification labels as well. The next couple of settings, fixed bounding box aspect ratio and fixed polygon vertex count, were already covered in the previous tutorials. Here you can set their default values. However, you can later change them in the labeling window. Before I explain the next setting, I would like to draw your attention that all images that are labeled for object detection are marked by this icon. All images that are labeled for segmentation are marked by this icon, and images that are labeled both for object detection and segmentation are marked by both icons. So the next setting allows you to skip already labeled images for object detection, segmentation, or both. Let me demonstrate how it works. So if I select this row for object detection labeling, you can see that this, and this image are already labeled for object detection. So I will only be allowed to label this, and this image. Let me show. So the labeling starts from this image, and then this is the last image. Actually, the same thing would happen if I don't select any images in advance and I start object detection labeling from this image. Since the next three images are already labeled, I'll be allowed to start from this image, and the labeling will end by this image. The last setting I wanted to show allows you to change the line width for object detection and segmentation labeling. By default, this is set to 2 pixels, but if I increase it to 5 pixels, I can see that the line width during the segmentation or object detection labeling has significantly increased. So these are all labeling settings I wanted to show for now. Thanks for watching.